Claude can now search the web. So this is a new addition to the Claude AI, but when they announced this new feature on March 2025, this capability is only available for pro users in Claude AI. But now, as of May 2025, this feature is available globally on all Claude plans. So if you're using the free version of Claude, you can still use it to search something from the internet. So the answer from Claude is going to be much more up to date and more relevant to the current time. So let me show you how you can use this web search feature on Claude AI. Okay, first let's go to Claude.ai and then you can log in with your account. And for this example, I'll ask AI to, let's say, find the latest news about Apple. And here you have to enable the web search option. Click this button and then make sure that the web search is enabled. You can enable this, and you can also adjust various settings, like you want to use a different style, or you can also upload some document to accompany the AI, or you can also select the model. But in this case, I'm using the free version and I cannot change the model. But if you're using the pro version of Claude, you can select a different model. Like you can use a more powerful model, which is Claude Opus 4. But I think Claude for Sonnet is just more than enough for everyday use. So let me just send this message to Claude, and you'll see that it will start searching the internet. It will read some web pages and will summarize the answer in just a few seconds. And there you go. So this is the answer. It's not the fastest performance, but it's nice that we have access to the internet in Claude AI. Now let's compare the answer from Claude AI with Perplexity, which is my go-to AI when finding content from the internet. So let's go to Perplexity, and you will see that the answer could be different, even though I'm using the same prompt and I'm going to be using the same model, which is Claude for Sonnet. You can tell that Perplexity is just a bit better and a bit faster than a Claude AI web search. And there you go. So this is the answer. And yeah, it is able to get the latest info from June 2025, June 3rd. And yeah, it's basically the answer. And compared to Claude AI answer, the answer from Perplexity is much more thorough, even though again, we are using the same model. And that's why, in my opinion, I think the web search feature on Claude is not as good as Perplexity, but then again, it is free, and I think for most people it is probably more than enough. By the way, there is something here that I think it is worth mentioning, because from my testing, Claude might not be able to gather the latest information. For example, here I asked Claude to find me to list me all the RTX 5000 series GPU available on the market right now. So it is giving me this answer, telling me that there is RTX 5090, 5080, 5070, but there is actually 5060. But unfortunately, Claude is not able to get that information, while on Perplexity, it is able to tell me that there is the 5060 GPU. So there's the latest information from the internet. So that's one thing to keep in mind, that even though it is able to access the internet and reading some content from websites, you might want still to double check the answer, because it could be not the latest or the most up-to-date information. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But regardless, it is nice that we have this feature on Claude AI. So if you want to see more AI tutorials in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.